Hello everyone and welcome to the Python project series on NPStation. Today we're going to be creating a program that will merge PDF files on your computer. This will most likely be a really useful program for you to have in handy. Before we get started, I want to say that we have created some very cool projects in Python in this series, such as a quiz game. We have also created an Alexa, so make sure to check those out. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, before we start coding, you are going to want to have at least 2 PDF files in the folder that Visual Studio is accessing for this program. So you can see here I've created a Python projects folder, and inside I have 2 PDF files. One is to improve my high school study skills, and the next one is math cheat sheet. So again, make sure you have at least 2 PDF files, because by the end of this video we want to merge these files together. Now, before we start coding, you're going to want to open your CMD prompt or the terminal window, and here we need to install a library. So to do that, you're going to say pip3 install pypdf2. Now click enter, and since I've already installed this library, it will say that the requirement is already satisfied, but for you it would say that it's successfully installed. Now that we're done with that, we can start coding. So since we've already just installed the pypdf, we can go ahead and import that here, pypdf2, and we'll also need the OS module. Okay, now what we'll need to do is say for file in os.list_dir, and in parentheses we'll use that os and then the dir. So here we're going to have an if condition, and it'll state if file.ends with, and we want to check if it ends with .pdf. And if it does, what we need to do is print file. So I'm just going to go ahead and say print file for now, because I want to show you how to check that your computer is actually able to access these 2 PDF files. So go ahead and click that run button, and the terminal window here will pop up, and it should print out the 2 names of your PDF files. So you can see here that the 2 names have appeared. So now we know that it works and we can continue the code. Alright, so let's just go ahead and delete this print line right there, and instead we're going to want to say merger.append file, and since that has underlined, first what we need to do is actually create that merger variable, and we need to set that to pypdf2.pdf merger, just like that. And now you can see that merger isn't underlined anymore because it has been declared right there in the variable. And we're again going to use that variable merger to say merger.write. And what I'm going to put in these quotation marks is just the name of that new combined PDF. So I'm actually going to name it combined.pdf. So at the end, what we need is a new PDF file that is going to be called combined PDF. Now before I run this, I want to show you guys these 2 PDF files that I have, just so you know what's in them and how many pages are in each. So I'm going to open that improve my high school study skills. So this is what it looks like, just something I downloaded off the internet. So it has some, tricks and tips on how to study and take notes in high school. So this is comprised of 15 pages. You can see at the top here that I'm on page 415. So this has 15. Now let's go ahead and see that math cheat sheet PDF. And this has 1 page. So it just has some little equations. So since 15 plus 1 is 16, once we run that program, we need a new PDF file called combine.pdf that is going to have a total of 16 pages as it should have combined these 2 PDF files. So hopefully this works. Let's go ahead and run this. And as I just run that, you can see here that a new file has just been added to the Python projects folder. And guess what? It's called combine.pdf, which is great. That means it worked. Let's go back to Finder, and I'm going to open that. Let's see. Downloads. And it has appeared here, combine.pdf. So once we open that up, you can see it has 16 pages. It has the edu guide PDF here, and at the end it has added the math cheat sheet PDF. So awesome job! You have just created a PDF merger program, and that took us about less than 10 minutes. So great job. This will be very useful for you. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. This is a program of 11 lines of code, and you were able to code it in just a few minutes, and now you have your own PDF merger program. So great job. If you enjoyed this video and if you thought it was helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to NPStation. So keep a lookout for some other videos in this Python project series. As I mentioned earlier, I will definitely be posting more related to PDFs. The next one will be about PDF splitting, and I will also share with you some really cool AI tools that I discovered online. But that's all for today, guys. Keep reading, keep coding, and stay safe.